Hi, I'm Mike with Legacy Plumbing. We're going to talk about flood protection devices today. There's many different styles and brands of flood protection devices. They can be installed in multiple different areas. It's a good idea to have flood protection devices due to wood floors or interior water heaters or your washing machines. All these things are mechanical devices that can fail and cause leaks. This particular model here runs on power and battery. It's recommended that we use power. This is the actual control panel. This is the solenoid valve. This goes online and shuts the water off when it senses water. This is the sensor that ties into the solenoid valve, and it goes in the pan or the bottom of your cabinet or in a bathroom floor or behind a washing machine. If a drop of water hits the sensor, it shuts the water off to the device that it's feeding and takes the pressure off, which could potentially stop the leak. These items here have a life expectancy of about 5 years. It's a good idea to check these devices a couple times a year. Cycle them on, cycle them off, check your batteries, replace your batteries at least every 6 months. That's about it for today. Thank you.